Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on repairing the electronic board of the Conga 1090. Today, we will break down the entire process into manageable steps. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter, and isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. These tools will be essential throughout the repair. Next, ensure that you have a clean workspace. Before opening the device, disconnect it from the power source to prevent any electrical hazards. Once you're ready, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel of the Conga 1090. Keep these screws organized as you will need them to reassemble later. Now, carefully lift the back panel off. Take a moment to inspect the internal components. Look for any visible signs of damage such as burnt traces or loose connections. If you spot any issues, use the multimeter to test the continuity of the circuit. Remember, if you don't have the tools or expertise to do this, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. After identifying any problematic areas, it's time to clean the internal components. Dampen a cloth with isopropyl alcohol and gently wipe down the circuit board. This will remove any dust or debris that could affect performance. Ensure that the board is completely dry before proceeding. If you need assistance at any stage, remember that we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This service eliminates the hassle of transporting your device, making it easier for you. Next, let's address any faulty components. Replace any damaged capacitors or resistors with the correct specifications. If you're unsure about the replacements, you can always reach out to us for advice or to obtain the right parts. Once you've made the necessary replacements, recheck all connections to ensure everything is secure. Now, it's time to reassemble the device. Place the back panel onto the Conga 1090 and use the Phillips screwdriver to secure all screws you previously removed. Before powering the device back on, it's a good practice to do a final visual inspection. Check for any loose screws or components that may have shifted during the repair process. If everything looks good, you can proceed to power on the device and test its functionality. If you encounter any issues or if the repair seems overwhelming, don't forget that we offer no calls, no travel service to make the process seamless for you. Simply contact us, and we'll provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. By following these steps, you should be able to effectively repair the electronic board of your Conga 1090. Remember, taking your time and being meticulous will yield the best results. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.